Hi, it's Karen and Emily at Nebraska Quilt Company. Emily, what are you working on?
I am currently quilting one of our Riley Blake Pillow of the Month kits. We have this one that just arrived, and we'll maybe show you the leaf one that's soon to.
Yeah. So this one's
come.
available in store.
Yeah.
Right now. But Emily, she asked if she could do some ruler work and some custom quilting.
I needed a little practice.
Yes. So I told her, yeah, go for it. And so she's using our Amara 20 machine, and she's got her ruler base on, and she's got her sure foot. That's the foot that you want to use that makes you safe when you're quilting. And she's doing an awesome job of using the ruler.
Oh yeah, I like the fact that even with the sure foot, it's over 1/4 inch, so I can actually get right up any angle and get completely anywhere I want with the rulers.
Yeah. So Alyssa, why don't you come in here and you can see on this pumpkin how she outlined all of the squares. And then what ruler did you do this with?
I actually did free motion.
You did free motion. So yeah. Very good job,
Very
Emily. No, it doesn't look rusty at all. So she did some free motion. So if you're interested in learning more about the Handy Quilter line of long arms, or if you already have a machine and you want to take a ruler class, we have a ruler class and it's out on the schedule, and we hear Mr. Jack. So we're excited to show you the amazing work that you can do with your machines. And if you're interested in purchasing a machine, check us out here at Nebraska Quilt Company, and we will see you real soon.
We'll see you then.